Whether you're planning a relaxing beach getaway or an adventurous trek, keeping your home and yourself safe should be a top priority. Follow these 10 smart security tips to ensure peace of mind before and during your holiday. Tip 1. Secure your home. Before leaving, double-check that all doors and windows are locked. Don't forget about less obvious entry points like garage doors and pet flaps. Consider installing smart locks or security cameras that you can monitor remotely. Tip 2. Create the illusion of occupancy. Use timer switches on lights and electronics to make it appear as if someone is home. Ask a trusted neighbor to collect your mail and occasionally park in your driveway. Cancel regular deliveries to avoid packages piling up. Tip 3. Be cautious on social media. Avoid posting about your upcoming trip or sharing real-time updates during your holiday. This information can alert potential burglars to your empty home. Wait until you return to share those vacation photos. Tip 4. Arrange for home checks. Ask a reliable friend, family member, or neighbor to periodically check on your home. They can water plants, adjust curtains, and ensure everything looks normal from the outside. Tip 5. Safeguard valuables. Store important documents and valuable items in a secure safe or safety deposit box. Don't leave expensive electronics or jewelry visible through windows. Tip 6. Update your security system. If you have a home security system, ensure it's working properly and that your monitoring service has your up-to-date contact information. Tip 7. Stay alert in unfamiliar surroundings. Once at your destination, it's really important to remain aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded tourist areas. Keep your belongings close and use anti-theft bags or money belts for added security. Tip 8. Use hotel safes. Take advantage of in-room safes to store passports, extra cash, and other valuables when you're out exploring. Tip 9. Be cautious with Wi-Fi. Avoid accessing sensitive information or online banking on public Wi-Fi networks. Use a VPN for added security when connecting to the internet away from home. Tip 10. Keep emergency contacts handy. Store important phone numbers and addresses, including your country's embassy or consulate at your destination. Consider enrolling in your government's traveler program for added support. By following these tips, you'll be well prepared to enjoy a safe and relaxing holiday. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring your peace of mind while you're away from home.